In this video, how to import an image into Photoshop. 3 ways of how to do it. Stick around to the end. We show you a little bit about something called scaling. Enjoy. Let's do this. Hi and welcome to the channel. Thank you for dropping by. How to import an image into Photoshop. There's 3 methods. I will show you the first one immediately. Open Photoshop if you don't have it open already, because then you can just focus on Photoshop. You don't even need to look at YouTube. First method, go to the top left corner, click on File. I will see Open. It's Control O for PC or Command O for Mac. Left click on Open. It will take you to your Explorer or your Finder, wherever your images are, or go look for them, libraries, PC, desktop, whatever, wherever you kept it. Select your image. I've got a JPEG. You double left click, or you can go down to the right hand corner of that box and left click open. Your image is now imported into Photoshop. That's it. If you found value in this video, thank you very much. We enjoy teaching you. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll get an email to say when we've got another video up. But I did say there's 3 methods, so here we go. We're going to start with method number 2. Method 2 is exactly the same as method 1. But what happens if we want to overlay 2 images in Photoshop Eloworx? Well, let's take a look. Top left corner, gonna left click File and left click Open. That's gonna take me to my window where my images are, and well, I can double left click on an image, or I can go to the bottom right and click Open. Now you'll see there are 2 tabs. First, you're gonna need to determine what image is gonna be your background image and which one's gonna be your foreground image. Once you've decided that, click on the tab with your foreground image. You are then going to take your mouse over that image, left click and hold, and drag it to the tab that you've decided, which is your background image. Photoshop will automatically switch to that tab. You will see your background image. Place your foreground image over the background image wherever you want. You will see a plus sign next to the arrow. Release left click when you're happy of the positioning of your image. Done with method 2. Thank you for joining us. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will know exactly when you've uploaded more tutorials. There's only one problem with method 2, which we are now going to fix in method 3. Method 2 does not give you the option to transform your image, meaning scale it up and down via Photoshop's free transform. To do this, I will look under File and I'll look for Place. Normally we would click Open. Now we're going to click Place. When we click Place, the same window of your logos or images will open up. Just in the bottom right corner, you're going to get the word Place. Left click on Place. You'll see it's imported now the same image, but with a transform box around it. If I look at the transform box, there are 4, let's say, dots on the corner, and if I want to scale that now, I click one of the blocks and I just left click and drag it, but it's not proportional, meaning it's going in all different sizes and directions, and it's irregular. If I want to scale it in proportion, I will hold left shift, hold left click, and I will drag it, and then when I'm done I will release left click. If I want to rotate the image, just move a little bit away from one of the edges on the corners, and you'll see my arrow turn into a corner with 2 arrows, and then I can rotate it on the axis. If you want to learn more about how to move that axis, which is a so-called anchor point, leave a comment and we'll get back to you. You've just imported an image into Photoshop in 3 different ways. Method 1 is the simple one, method 2 is 2 images over one another, and method 3 is with placing and having a transform box. Eloworx, here to raise your game. If you want more videos like this, leave a comment and we'll reply to you and do our best. We like to do the online training. Click the blocks to get more videos, or the circle to subscribe to our channel.